Hey, this is Steve from WebAiry. Welcome to our tutorial on how to whitelisting local IP addresses. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to whitelist IPv4 addresses, allowing specific IPs to access your server securely. Begin by opening Google Chrome and searching for, "What is my IPv4?" Copy the IPv4 address that appears. Next, go to your VPS and search for the firewall settings. Navigate to the Advanced Settings section. Once in the Advanced Settings, locate the option for Inbound Rules and click on it. Find the Easy Win Ban option and access its properties. Within the Easy Win Ban properties, navigate to the Scope settings. Check if your local IPv4 address is already listed. If it is, select it and remove it from the list, then click OK. If it's not listed, add your local IPv4 address. Select it, remove it from the list, and click Apply. This is how you can successfully whitelist your local IPv4 address on your VPS firewall, ensuring secure access. Regularly review and update your whitelist as needed. I hope you enjoy this video. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section.